you are among of those new YouTubers that stop commenting or dropping comment on content creators channel or bigger YouTuber, don't you know it's one of the way to get your 1000 subscriber very quick? And some of you have been doing that and you have been profiting on it. All of a sudden you decide not to do it again, or you stop asking yourself, why am I dropping comment on this? First of all, for disclaimer purpose, if you are among those that want to get monetized or grow organically and you are not in hurry to what get monetized, this video is not for you. This video are for those people that are hungry, that want to what get a 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour very fast and get monetized. So if you know that you want to grow your own gradually and you don't want any, if you know you want to grow your channel gradually and you know you are not in hurry to get monetized, so this video is not for you. One of the best way you can get your 1000 subscriber faster on YouTube is for what? For you to start dropping comment on bigger or already established YouTuber content. Yes, drop comment on their channel, and before you start condemning it, I want you to know that this is being done all over the world. Yes, I've seen a lot of YouTubers dropping comment on bigger YouTuber channel all over the world, and they have been what it has been, and it has been working for them. If it is not working for them, they will not do it, or YouTube will not approve it. So in this video, I'll be telling you how you can what get your 1000 subscriber by simply dropping a comment on bigger YouTube channel. So what you need to do is what, once you do it in the right way, you will surely get what your 1000 subscriber from it. YouTube is not against it. What YouTube is against is what doing what sub to sub. If you do it in the right way, YouTube is not against it. So what I want you to do is that if you see a bigger YouTube drop a content on a video, go to that video, watch the video. You know what? After watching the video, you comment according to the video. You know, don't just go to under the comment section and be asking sub to sub, I've subscribed to you, you subscribe for me. YouTube is against it. That's why some of you, after doing sub to sub, you see that if YouTube go through the comment and confirm that your message is spam, they will remove some of those people that subscribe to your channel. So it's very easy. Just go to the bigger YouTube content. So after watching the video, you can subscribe to the person video or like the person video. Then you drop a comment relating to that video that you just watched, and you can drop a comment, or you can easily say that I'm a new YouTuber, let's support each other. I've dropped you a pen on a flower. You can drop as well. So you will do it in a stylish way, you understand, in a way that you know that everything you are doing is related to the video. But some people will just come to the under someone comment, I've subscribed to yours, they are subscribed to me, I've let's do sub to sub. No. YouTube is totally against that. If you are doing that, even though when you are subscribed to each other, YouTube know how to dictate that kind of comment and delete it. That's why you delete it, or delete that subscriber from your delete that subscriber from your subscribers list. So you have to do it in a way that is related to the video that you are watching. So you will see that whoever that like your channel or that want to support your channel will subscribe to your channel through that. Do that for some time. You will see that before you do that in a week, calculate how many subscribers that you've gained. You see that before 1 month you have gotten, or before 1 month or less than 1 month, you have gotten your 1000 subscriber through this. So if you go to those big YouTube channel, then and drop sub to sub, connect to connect, I've subscribed to your channel, subscribe to my channel, YouTube know how to dictate those words, and they will delete it, or the content, or the YouTuber will delete it by his or herself. So stop doing that and do the right thing. You'll see that you have a lot of subscribers through this. And another way is for you as a new YouTuber to support your fellow new YouTuber. Support the upcoming YouTuber. You know, some of you are fond of just supporting the bigger YouTuber. If you don't have 1 million subscriber, or 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 subscriber, you will not you will know what, support your fellow upcoming YouTuber. So you don't know that as you are growing as a new YouTuber, those new YouTuber are the one to what will come when you support them, when you watch the video, when you subscribe to the channel, they will return the favor to you because they too want to grow as well. So always learn what when you see your fellow new subscriber, support them. If you support a lot of them, they will come back in return and support you. By then, all of us will be growing together. Learn how to support the new YouTubers. You will see how they will return the favor to you too. I know at times you will drop comment on those on people's content. You will subscribe to a lot of people or on upcoming YouTuber channel, and they will not come back or return the subscription back to you. Don't worry about that. Just keep on supporting them. You will see at first, it may take some time before you know, you will see them coming back to subscribe to your channel and coming back to comment on your channel. I've done that. And bear it in mind that not everyone you support will support you, but a lot of them will come back and support you. So it is better to what? Support others, support the new people in your category. And that does not mean you will not watch the bigger YouTubers, support the other, the bigger YouTuber, but let all most of your support go to those that are in your category because they are the one that will return the favor to you. So, and another thing that you need to do is the what? Keep on what? Even though you are not getting the support back, even though you are not getting the view, keep on creating content that you know that you are passing the right information that will keep to what YouTube policing. Before you know, you will see your channel will begin to grow.